This is what $850,000 gets you right here in beautiful Fairview in Vancouver. I'm excited for you to check this one out. Welcome to 1335 West 8th Avenue. This exceptionally rare unit is a 1-bed, 1-bath, and den that's over 800 square feet. So you have these massive size dynamics, and you're buying into a complex that is meticulously cared for. You can see the landscaping here, the manicured boxwood hedges, as well as the building itself. It has been completely rain screened. There's a metal roof, and the strata here really cares about the property and maintains it exceptionally well. So this is a property you definitely want to purchase into. Fairview Slopes is known to have some of the best sight lines in Vancouver, and you can see right behind me, this is your view corridor from the north-facing patio. The Vancouver House, the new butterfly building, the snow-capped mountains, this is all something that you can enjoy. Also, just in behind me is a stairwell that leads right down to the Seawall into Granville Island. The location of this property is truly tremendous. You can have all your amenities in a short walking distance away, not to mention the new Broadway SkyTrain station that's going to be popping up in a couple of years. You got so much packed into this complex, the unit itself, as well as the viewpoints. My name is Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group, powered by eXp Realty. Welcome home.